deadline funnel. This tool is absolutely amazing. It will do stuff that you can't even imagine, right? So I'm using this on various different projects, and my conversion rates are off the roof, right? So let me explain what this does, right? So you know that there is some mental triggers that will motivate people to buy items, all right? So one of those is scarcity, and the other one is urgency. Then you have likability and all that stuff. But what you want to do is you want to create urgency. So you've seen, for example, when it says sale ends tomorrow, what do? You buy now, right? Because after that, then you lose the deal. And it works like crazy. This is why all the supermarkets and everything will use it. Flash sales and stuff, they have a deadline. And because of the deadline, you're not going to postpone your purchase. You're going to do it now. So typically what happens is that when you're doing a launch, you're starting a launch on, let's say, Monday, and you're basically telling people, well, the launch ends on Sunday. And then on Sunday, you have to manually come and stop the launch, right? But these days are over, because what you can do with deadline funnel is absolutely amazing. So basically, each and every one of your subscribers or your audience will have their own deadline based on when they sign up to your stuff. So let's say someone signs up to your newsletter and they receive an email at 10 a.m., for example, okay, with a link that says, "Oh, click this is the offer. It will end in 3 days." If they click on it, then the timer will start, okay? And only at that point, they will see the timer that says 3 days. And the beauty of it is that regardless where they log in, they have a technology. I have absolutely no idea how that works. Regardless of where they log in, the data is consistent. Okay, so if they log in on their phone and they open your email that says in 3 days, then the countdown is activated. If they log in on their computer, then it's the same exact countdown. So let's say a day later, they open the email from their computer, it will say 2 days. It's amazing. And you can actually put the deadline inside of your emails as well. So basically inside the email, you have a countdown that's running out as well. And this is so powerful because people are like, dude, I need to take advantage of that offer before it expires. Okay. So that's the beauty. Like the conversion rates are absolutely off the chart. Okay. Before it was really hard to sync the timers on your emails and on desktop and on mobile and on tablets and stuff. Whereas now everything is in sync. If you take an email, so you open an email in the screen, you open your desktop and you check your mobile, they are all on the exact same timer. Okay. So that's the first thing, is that there is consistency, and the user basically understands and believes that the offer is going to end. It's not like you log in from one place and then you log in from the other one and you still have 3 days. Okay, consistency, which brings people to actually believe in the offer and go take action instead of postponing it. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing is you can do evergreen launches. Okay, this is evergreen. So it's not like in the past, you had to start an offer on the 1st of April and then you ended on the 15th of April. Now it's evergreen. So basically anybody who comes inside your offer will have a week, regardless if they arrive on the 1st, on the 7th, on the 25th or whatever, they will have 7 days. So that means you're always running a product launch with a deadline. And this is so powerful. It's not like you can only do one offer every 6 months, like people do typically with launches. This will run on autopilot for you, and your conversions are going to be off the charts. Okay, this is an amazing product. I still don't understand the technology behind it. It's crazy. Sometimes you see something and you're like, oh, you know what, this is a good idea. I understand how that works. In this case, I have absolutely no idea how this thing works. Okay, so you can see here all the sequences, the devices are linked. The good thing about it is that it will integrate with, so let's say here, it will integrate with all the major applications that you can use. MailChimp, Klaviyo, SendCard, Lead Pages, Kajabi for your members area, Instapages if you're creating that, ClickFunnels, Shopify, like if you want to run an offer, for example, for a product, like physical product, ConvertKit. So you can see, so I do have some reviews of ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, and ConvertKits. You can go have a look at them and see which one is best for you. Works with WordPress, WooCommerce for those that have it, GetResponse, like it works with pretty much everything, okay? It's absolutely amazing. This, I mean, it will skyrocket your profits, and I really, really suggest you go and use it. You have a 14-day free trial. So I mean, I really suggest you go and you sign up for it and you try it, and you'll see like immediately, like the minute you plug that in, you will see a huge boost in conversions, and you're going to make way more than what it costs. Right? So we'll have a look at what it costs actually, and you'll see it's really not expensive for what it brings. Okay, so if you're paying monthly, then you'll pay $37 a month. I suggest you start. You could start with this one if you don't have a budget, but me, I will go with this one. That 67, I will definitely go with this one, so you have an unlimited number of campaigns. My take is I don't want to spend more than necessary. Okay, so in every video I do here, I tell you usually go get the only what you need. What I like is when I'm unlimited. I don't like to be limited by a number of like campaigns or something. But you could definitely try with this one. You start one campaign, and then if you like it, then you can increase, right? But me, I will jump to the 67 just because I'm unlimited. I like to be unlimited. And if you pay annually, then you'll only pay $30 here and $50 there, right? But again, you have a free trial. I suggest you start with this one. Start with the freelance. And start your campaign. You will see it's absolutely mind blowing. It's going to make you so much money. Okay. So, try it and let me know, how it is and how you like it. And thank you very much for watching this review.